music is the root of the reggae music, because I have been on a research. Music is psychology, see? And if the music does not penetrate the heart, the soul, and the mind, and the body, then you ain't gonna feel it. Because reggae music is not something that you hear, it's something you feel. See, and if you don't feel it, you can't know it. See, it is a spiritual music with spiritual ingredients for spiritual purposes. See.
Where exactly is the roots coming from?
Well, the roots comes from Africa, which all roots coming from. And it's a spiritual motivation of inspiration through divine lines of Jah Rastafari, see, who is the creator, who was and will forever be. See?
How old is this Back to Africa movement?
Ever since black people became conscious of their culture, see, and their roots. And that was a couple 100 years ago, even in the days of slavery. But because slavery was forced, people were afraid to speak what they had in mind.
What is a Rasta man really?
A Rasta man is a man who speaks the truth. A Rasta man is a follower of the Creator. See? The prefix Ras means head. The suffix Tafari means creator. When you put them together, it's the head creator. We are the followers of the head creator, who is the Trinity. Haile Selassie is the Trinity. The word Haile means power, and Selassie means Trinity. He is the power of the Trinity. See? And he was, and he is, and he will forever be. See? So we are the followers of him who is the head Rastafari. The prefix Ras means head. See? That means without your head, then what are you? See?
Would reggae take over the world?
That's what reggae is supposed to be. See? If reggae is not accepted universally around the four corners of the earth, then what's the use of a music? The music was made for people.